What you here for, huh? Does your life matter? Does your life matter? You ready for this? You ready to take control? Are you giving up control or are you taking control? Huh? You know what happens. You know what happens when people don't take control. They get deleted.
Welcome to the disruption person I'm about to know. Introduce yourself in the comments below and I will try to say hello back. Because today we're replacing door speakers on one of our Nissan 350Zs, specifically my boy Tyler Z. He's doing all the car work, I'm doing all the filming and editing. Let me know if you guys want us to do more of these kinds of videos by smashing the like button. If you don't like this stuff, hit the dislike button, even though I've worked on this video for like 3 days. If you live in Iowa, that's where we're at. Just a couple of 20-year-olds whipping around in our Zs. So if you happen to see us around, say holla and hello. Let's get started.
To describe what he's doing and stuff, so.
Dude, I don't know, this should pop out. It's kind of scaring me. I don't think these have ever been taken off before.
Oh yeah. They're like,
Like 60, 70 bucks
Yeah.
for just this,
Yeah.
just a little mug.
yeah.
A lot of people don't.
We don't understand.
Get it, yeah.
I should get these carbon fiber.
Fun.
It'd be perfect.
Those are... We don't work till Thursday.
Okay.
I don't work at all this week.
You take it off?
Yeah.
In the back or?
Yeah. That's gonna be a bitch to get back in, probably.
There's food. Piece of home.
You want to know something? I bet money. Sorry.
Yeah, those are definitely smells.
Did you hear the play in it?
Yeah, those are gross. think it's clipped in.
Yummy.
Those are crusty as hell. How the fuck do these clips work?
The bottom side.
What do? Push it down or what?
Oh,
Got him. Alright, well. You think I should cut it or just put wires into it? These are gonna be so much better. What's the point in this?
It's a bracket. So,
Are you sure it doesn't go over top of it? Does it just like thread itself into the plastic?
it should. And then what this does is you'll just use the stock bolts that you
Yeah.
pulled out.
Yeah, dude, I feel like these don't. I can't have these on here.
There's something. Shit, it is like you were trying to.
But like underneath it? I don't think that's how it works. Look at that. Just popped right off. It's going now. Alright. Let's get it.
Yeah, look at that.
What a nice fit it is now.
good fit, man. Then I don't know which colors that is.
You want to get rid of
Ah, okay, yeah, that might
I think it's like, yeah, it's a good layer.
It depends though.
Yeah, it really does depend. I mean, I bet.
The legs falling asleep.
You know what would have been smart?
Thread into the plastic.
They should.
This should just be threaded already. This cannot be how it works, dude.
Oh, you definitely should wire it.
Probably. Would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Oh.
Should I solder them together?
Yeah, that's probably. Do you have shrink wrap?
Yeah.
Yeah, solder. Definitely.
I just cut this off then. I don't know which one is.
Red will be your power and blue will be brown. Should be.
Red is power.
said there's one way to put them on.
It should.
Ooh. Don't buy speakers.
I mean, pioneers are nice, but...
Oh, that's the other way around. Other way.
Like this way?
Yeah, that way. To match up with the lines and stuff. See how like the
Oh,
see
because
how, the lines and all that match up plus the.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'll see if I can get it.
I'll just stick it on there.
Not even then. That's still like I would never date a girl who's 6'4".
Well, yeah, but but in my sake, I'm 6 foot, so.
I mean, I don't really get a choice. I'm Asian. I got an excuse. I'm just short, so I gotta accept whatever comes at me. If she's 6'4", I'm okay.
Those are crusty Johns.
They look so nasty.
Nice. That's one door.
Wait. Where did those go in again?
Oh wait, they plugged into.
Oh,
they
put them
went
up,
through
put them up through there.
yeah.
Go set it in and then
No, it's not. It's not over here far enough.
yeah.
Or is it? Yep. I did not notice that. Well, let's not do that. They're repainting my front bumper and putting the new headlight in. And they're repainting part of my fender.
I'll do it myself.
At that
I
price
can't.
point, might as well.
Yeah.
Dang, guys.
But if I go up 8 hangers, the 80 cent rate just for a good year is what I was told.
He's been working there for about
He's been
2
working
years
there
now.
2 years.
Yeah.
What does he do?
He's in. Oh, shoot, I forgot
Is he a
what
welder?
he's in. He's not a welder.
Dude, you'll never guess who works.
Nice. Ooh,
Decent.
that was easy. New videos every Thursday, 12 p.m. noon.